In genetics, now we are going to learn, right? That's the mutation topic. First, the brief introduction of mutation, and then we will go for the diseases, right? Mutation. First of all of you switch on your video quickly. Switch on your video fast. Right. Let's start. Mutation. What is a mutation basically? So, you know the DNA structure. आपने चैप्टर नंबर 9 बायोमोलिक्यूल्स में डीएनए स्ट्रक्चर लर्न किया था इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड, राइट? डीएनए is a double stranded structure. Can anyone tell me in DNA which are the nitrogen bases are present? बोलिए, आप में से कोई बताएगा? In DNA which are the nitrogen bases are present that makes entire DNA? No one, है ना? Very. हाँ, हर्षिल correct. बोलो. Unmute and speak.
Adenine.
Adenine, thymine,
guanine, वो
cytosine.
cytosine.
Okay. चलो इतना याद है बहुत है. Adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These are the 4 nitrogen bases form the DNA. Right? Now, in this DNA, yes, correct. Adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Now, in DNA, when we see the 2 strands like that, so here suppose adenine, so here thymine, guanine, cytosine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, adenine, like that randomly. Adenine always pair with the thymine, guanine with the cytosine that you have learned, right? Now, next is what? That mutation is what? So any change in the DNA sequences in a particular DNA segment, that suppose over here ACGT sequence is there, right? ACGT sequence. But due to certain mutagen, UV radiation से या फिर ऐसा कोई chemical है that induces the change in the DNA sequences. So due to that, this is the normal sequence, AGCT. Now over here, just imagine if only at one place, right? Only at one place. Now instead of C, adenine molecule come, right? So ये तो normal sequence नहीं है. This is the totally different sequence. AGCT normal था, AGAT is a different sequence. And when this sequence is there, तो इससे जो product form होगा, this is not the required product, right? And that thing we call is a mutation, meaning alteration of DNA sequences, and that consequently result the changes in the genotype. जीनोटाइप के साथ फिनोटाइप भी चेंज हो जाएगा. इमेजिन कि हेयर प्रोटीन केराटिन, for that the DNA on the DNA the particular sequence is there, right? And only with this sequence the keratin protein is formed. Now at one of the place, just one, imagine कि एक ही place पे just change होता है, that also leads to change in the structure of protein. यहाँ पे change हो जाता है, imagine that, right? In a hair protein keratin. Now, so over here change occur. So when changes occur in a DNA sequences, alteration occur in a DNA sequences, that leads to what? Change in the genotype as well as phenotype. Phenotype means character. We can easily see that the keratin protein is not formed. When keratin protein is there, keratin protein is required for the growth, right? For the growth of the hair. When growth of the hair does not occur, that indicates what over here, something that happens into the DNA sequence that will not able to form this protein. So changes in a DNA sequences, alteration in a DNA sequences that leads to the genotype and phenotype changes that you call mutation, right? Now, mutation, जैसे हमने अर्लियर टॉपिक में लर्न किया था कि क्रॉसेस करते हैं तो क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है, and due to that crossing over, recombinants are formed, yes or no? Due to the crossing over, recombinants are formed, which are not exactly like a parent. Parents is somehow different, right? So that type of organ recombinants are formed, that leads to what? Variation. That leads to variation. We can say that that helps in evolution. Same thing over here. Mutation occur. Mutation is also one of the phenomenon that leads to the variation in DNA, and by that way it also helps in evolution. Now, mutation basically two types. Okay, mutation, this is basically two types. Either that mutation we call genetic mutation, gene mutation, or we can use the term chromosomal mutation. Right? Gene mutation, you can consider, see, first genetic mutation and the other one is a which one? Chromosomal mutation. In a gene, in a single gene, if changes occur, अभी जीन याद रहना चाहिए कि chromosome, this is the chromosome. On the chromosome, the genes are located. Right? On the chromosome, genes are located. And one more thing that understand, at this point where the gene is located, singular we use that term locus, and plural, all these sites, we use that term loci. Right? On the chromosome, the genes are located, and each gene is located at the position that we call the locus, plural, that's the loci. So mutation are of two types, genetic mutation and the chromosomal mutations. Right? Today we are going to learn that's the genetic mutation. Genetic mutations, in that, first of all, that's the Mendelian disorders. Genetic mutation in that first, Mendelian disorders. Now, Mendelian disorders, why we call it a Mendelian disorder? Because Mendel suggests that if out of the couple of alleles, one of the allele is dominant, other is a recessive, and the dominant one is expressed. Recessive expressed only when the dominant is absent. This thing was explained by the Mendel. And in this disorders, we are going to learn the genes are that they behaves like the things which Mendel suggests. Mendelian disorders basically divided into two. Either the gene can be dominant or recessive. Either dominant allele cause a disease or recessive allele cause a disease. Switch on your video, all of you. Either dominant allele cause a disease or recessive allele cause a disease. If you are not following my instruction, I will not solve your doubts. Next, dominant and recessive. In that further two types, dominant and recessive, that it can be the autosomal dominant or the sex-linked dominant. It can be the autosomal recessive or sex-linked recessive. Right? Now, what are these autosomal and sex-linked? So, you know, in humans, total 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. Right? Can you tell me, lower standard, I think itna to aaya hai aapko, that exactly which pair of chromosome that decides ke this one is a female or this one is a male? Can you tell me? Which pair of chromosome decides, which chromosomes decides that this is a female, this is a male? Bolo. If female, which chromosomes are there? Diksha? Yes, you all are
XX
correct. Yes,
and in
correct.
man XY.
Yes. In male, XY chromosomes are there. In female, XX chromosomes are there. So total 23 pairs of chromosome, right? Total 23 pairs of chromosome. Like that, first pair, second pair, third, fourth, then fifth, sixth, seven, eight, like this. And out of this 23 pair, the last pair, which is a 23rd number, over there, either XX chromosome is present in case of female, in case of male, XY chromosomes are present, right? So autosomal. So earlier 22 pairs तो क्या है? Same होंगे male and female में. Just last pair differ होगा कि XY है तो male, XX है तो female. So the first 22 pairs of chromosome which are similar in both male and female, these chromosomes we call autosomal. Right? Remember that 22 pairs of chromosomes consider over. And last pair जो है that we call the sex link, जिसमें either XX होगा or which one XY. यहाँ तक clear है first. Same thing over here, autosomal and sex link. 22 pairs, XX or XY. Any doubt in this part? Right. Now, so we can write in this way that Mendelian disorder, autosomal and sex link. So autosomal dominant disorder. Sorry. Autosomal dominant disorder. Same way autosomal recessive भी होता है. Right? फिर sex link था, उसमें first X link and then Y link. तो X link dominant disorder, then X link recessive disorder, Y link dominant disorder, and Y link recessive disorder. We are going to study this thing now. Autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X link dominant, X link recessive, Y link dominant, Y link recessive. Right? Understand this topic very carefully. ये नहीं समझ में आएगा ना तो next topic है pedigree analysis, which is too much become difficult for you. Right? Now, first we are going to learn out of this 6 combination, that's the X-linked recessive disorder. Now understand what is the meaning of this X-linked recessive disorder. X-linked recessive meaning, see we have to, if female, you have to write this thing, okay, XX chromosome. Next, if male, you have to write XY chromosome, right? X-link, remember linkage हमने learn किया था. Linkage meaning what? Over that the genes are located on that chromosome. So same thing. One of the like X-linked recessive in that 2 disorders we are going to learn. One of them is color blindness. Another is hemophilia. Right? X-linked recessive के 2 examples है. Color blindness and the hemophilia. Now, color blindness occur in a person when the person has both the alleles in a recessive form on this X chromosome. Recessive alleles cause a disease. Remember, X-linked recessive का meaning क्या है? Recessive alleles है that cause a disease. Right? सेम थिंग मेल में अगर कलर ब्लाइंडनेस है तो एक्स क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर यहाँ पे भी रेसेसिव भी राइट इन अ स्मॉल लेटर, राइट ना, ये तो आता है ना, डोमिनेंट इन कैपिटल, हियर रेसेसिव इन अ स्मॉल. नाउ नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर दैट सपोज हीमोफीलिया है, हीमोफीलिया के लिए भी हम सेम यही करेंगे. कैन यू टेल मी हीमोफीलिया के लिए अगर मुझे ये एक्स लिंक रेसेसिव फॉर्म करना है, इसके लिए इधर यू कैन यूज 2 alleles I am giving you, capital H and small h. What should you write over here for XX chromosome? जैसे कलर ब्लाइंडनेस के लिए हमने लिया small c which is a X-linked recessive. So for hemophilia, what should I write? Capital H or small h first of all? Small h, right? That is correct. So that's recessive allele, and recessive allele expressed only in a homozygous condition. अगर मैं यहाँ पे कैपिटल एच लिख दूं तो वो तो डोमिनेंट है, इसको एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं होने देगा स्मॉल एच को, राइट? सो if we want to show the disease, then we have to go with what? Homozygous recessive condition. यहाँ पे तो एक ही X and that is expressed. First, we are going to learn out of this two disorder, color blindness. Right? Color blindness. आपने सुना है? What is color blindness? Have you ever heard about that? ये क्या होता है color blindness? Really? No one? Take it. Color blindness. Defect in the cone cell in retina. Color blindness क्या है? Particularly, that's a defect in the cone cell. Cone cell, rod cell, ये तो याद है ना? In retina, photoreceptor cell. So this cone cells, right? Cone cell, if you recall, cone cell three types: red, green, and blue. Red and green में ट्रपल हो जाता है, right? Person cannot distinguish. आप उसको रेड बोलोगे ना तो वो यही बोलेगा ये ग्रे कलर है, व्हाइट है, रेड तो बोलेगा ही नहीं. सेम फॉर द ग्रीन, right? So person cannot distinguish between this red color and the green color. That we call the color blindness disease. Color blindness. Color के लिए blindness. Which color? Red and green. So defect occurring in cone cells. And for that, the genes are located on the X chromosome. X-linked recessive disorder. Genes for color vision. Now understand this thing. हमें बहुत सारे क्रॉस करने हैं आज, ओके? फोकस्ड. चलिए, एक्स एक्स फीमेल के लिए अभी हम कॉम्बिनेशन लेते हैं. एक्स एक्स. सपोज यू नो कलर ब्लाइंडनेस इज अ recessive disorder, sex link or X link recessive disorder. Suppose I have written over here capital C on both the chromosome. Then here the disease can we observe in this female which possesses the both the dominant allele? Yes, no, that's the correct answer. So when capital C is there on X chromosome, that indicates what? Normal vision. She can distinguish this is a red color or green color, right? Next, इसमें तो किसी को नहीं है ना, देखो ये रेड कलर ही मैं रेड कलर से लिख रही हूँ, ग्रे नहीं दिखता ना किसी को. चलिए नेक्स्ट. आफ्टर दैट सपोज आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर capital C and small c on one of the X chromosome capital C, on another X chromosome small c, then this female will be normal or colorblind? Yes, normal. Why? Because one of the dominant allele is present, right? So this one is a normal. Now, one more thing. Normal के साथ याद रखना that with normal, she has at least one of the allele. She has one of the allele which that is for color blindness. No doubt, dominant allele hai, that's why this female become a normal. But she carry this one of the allele which cause the color blindness in their offspring. Whenever the gamete formation occurs, so further offspring के लिए, right? ये क्या है? It's a carrier. So this type of female for recessive, X-linked recessive, we use this term carrier. Dominant, other is a recessive, and only in this X-linked recessive disease we can get a female as a carrier. Carrier. Now next, suppose I write over here on both the X chromosome small c, then yes, correct. Small c, meaning it's a recessive disorder. It's both the genes are recessive now expressed. They can express themselves because they are now in homozygous condition. So this condition we call colorblind. Right? चलिए अभी मेल के लिए हम लिखते हैं. ये डॉटर फीमेल के लिए हुआ. नाउ मेल. मेल के लिए फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट XY क्रोमोसोम. राइट? Y के ऊपर तो ये जीन्स लोकेटेड है ही नहीं. ओनली इट्स X लिंक जीन. तो X on that, suppose I have written capital C, then this male is normal or colorblind? Yes, normal, right? Next, small c. Colorblind. Can you tell me, जैसे female में carrier form हुआ, male can be a carrier, yes or no? Male can become a carrier? No, because only one X chromosome is present. In female, 2 X chromosomes are there, right? So वहां पे chances है कि one can be dominant, other can be recessive. Males में तो क्या है, जैसे ही recessive allele आया, it will express, color blind ही हो जाएगा. Female में तो क्या है, though the one small c is there, here the chances is there in another chromosome, X chromosome, capital C present, normal gene, right? So on the basis of this information, जो अभी मैंने last point आपको explain किया, can you tell me this disease is more common in male or female? सिया त्रिवेदी, बोलिए चले. This disease is more common in male or female?
मैम मेल आवश्यक बिकॉज फीमेल अंदर जो कैपिटल सी आएगी तो ये डोमिनेंस ना ट्रेट्स बताते हैं.
Yes, very good. Yes, yes.
जो स्मॉल सी आएगी तो
Correct, Siya Trivedi, right? Good. Right? See, in case of female, though the one small c allele is there, here the chances that one capital allele. So, no color blindness. This female become a normal. This female have a normal vision, though she is a carrier for their offspring, but for themselves, for herself, that's a normal. Male में तो क्या है? Only one small c come, then male become colorblind, right? So that's why X-linked recessive disorders, when you study, you get the more number of disease condition in male instead of female, right? Now, so more common in men, percentage 8.1% है color blindness के, rarely occur in women 0.4%. Remember this percentage. Next, now we are going to perform this different process, right? First one, colorblind man. Okay, first of all, quickly, all of you note down these 4 crosses in your notebook. Video on. All of you quickly note down these 4 crosses. First cross a colorblind man and carrier woman. Second a colorblind man and colorblind woman. Third cross है normal color vision male and carrier woman. Fourth है normal color vision and color blind woman. first cross. First, I am explaining. Second, you will have to write and show it to me on screen. Right? एक भी mistake हुआ, 10 times homework. Each and every step you have to follow. Each and every step you have to write down. First one, first understand. First cross है between color blind man. Okay, I'm just writing directly. Colorblind man. For that, first we have to write XY chromosome. Colorblind man के लिए, right? Crossed with carrier woman. Woman के लिए हम पहले क्या X chromosome लिखेंगे. Now, what should be the genotype for colorblind man? What should I write over here? Yes, small c, correct. Here we have to write small c. For carrier woman, you can just write the C, XY नहीं लिखोगे चलेगा. For carrier woman, yes, one is a capital C, another is a, one is a capital C, another is a small c. Right? Write down. Now, these are parents. Okay, these are parents. So here write the P, parents. This parent first form gametes. Here two types of gametes, here two types of gametes. Right? Now we are going to make a gametes. Haya, unmute karo. Haya. Yes, can you tell me from this male, which type of gametes are formed?
XC.
Right. Okay, in one of them that's a X small c, in another one
Y.
Y. चलिए जियाश्री.
Yes, ma'am.
Jiashri, for female,
X large C and X small c.
capital C and small c. Right?
Small c.
Now you have make to F1. Cross करना है. This, okay, यहाँ पे हम ये symbol कर दे कि these are the sperm. Right? Now, this sperm fertilize this ovum. This same sperm fertilize this ovum. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या combination मिलेगा in these two circles? कौन बताएगा पहले for this Sia?
X capital C Y.
X capital C ये small c है और y तो है ही नहीं. देखो ये दोनों को combine करना है, this two.
X capital C, X small c.
Yes, X capital C, X small c. Right? For this two, Sia बोलो.
X small c, X small c.
Yes, correct. Now, Khushi R. Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
When these two combine, then
X capital C Y.
correct. X capital C Y. चलिए next. When these two combine,
X small c and Y.
X small c and Y. Right? Now, what are the phenotype for this? चलिए इसके phenotypes लिखने हैं आपको. Mananshu, for this. Mananshu, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए इसका phenotype क्या होगा? One is a capital C, another is a small c. Karuna.
X capital C.
हाँ वो तो है. X capital C, X small c. तो इसका phenotypic character क्या होगा? Phenotypic character meaning what the way the alleles are expressed. Who will tell me? दिया अमीन
Yes, ma'am. Carrier.
कैरियर क्या
Carrier woman.
carrier woman, correct. So here we can say that carrier woman और daughter भी बोल सकते हैं आप, right? For this one दिया
Color blind woman.
color blind, yes. दिया for this one
Normal vision.
normal, right? And for last small c है
Color blind.
color blind, right? बोलिए यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? मननशु क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी नेक्स्ट टर्न आपका ही है फिर, हाँ? चलिए सो चलो ये रेशियो तो आपको मिल गया. दिस यू कंसीडर एज 100%, राइट? फ्रॉम दिस पेरेंट्स, दिस आर द पेरेंट्स, ओके. Suppose ask if one of the parent or male parent is a color blind and female parent is a carrier. So how many the probability or how many the percentage chances are there? Listen my question, huh? Their children would be color blind or children will be color blind. कितने परसेंटेज हो गए बोलिए? चिल्ड्रन मैंने वर्ड यूज किया है, मीन्स यू हैव टू कंसीडर डॉटर सन बोथ. परसेंटेज क्या आएगा? यस खुशियार पटेल करेक्ट. 50% आउट ऑफ दिस फोर you can, yes प्राची दिया, all are correct. दिया right? Out of the see this 4 you consider 100%. ये color blind है and last one is also color blind. So 50% हो गया. 25% carrier woman and 25% क्या है? Normal vision man. Right? नीट में ये टाइप के नीट इवन गुडसेट एंड रेगुलर बोर्ड एग्जाम ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस. बोलिए क्लियर है इतना फर्स्ट? गुड. अभी और एक क्वेश्चन बोलिए हया. ओके सी
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम कैरियर नहीं कंसिडर करवाना.
कैरियर नॉर्मल.
ओके
ओके कैरियर सपोज नॉर्मल के लिए भी परसेंटेज पूछा है कि हाउ मेनी ऑफस्प्रिंग that has a normal vision, so in that you have to consider carrier woman also. Carrier woman hai but it's a she has a normal vision, right? You can write over here carrier woman with write down normal vision, so make it easy, right? Now suppose ye question aata hai कि from these parents categories are given, right? Male colorblind, female carrier. How many son will be colorblind? How many son will be colorblind or how much the percentage for the son will be colorblind? बोलिए तब आपका आंसर क्या था? 25 लिखा ना, दैट इज रॉन्ग. जब मैंने कॉमनली पूछा था चिल्ड्रन तब वो 25 करेक्ट था, बट अभी मैंने किसके लिए सिर्फ पूछा है सन, तो सन तो ये दो ही है. दिस यू हैव टू कंसीडर एज 100%, right? And out of them only one is a color blind, so answer is 50%. ये लर्न करना है. समझ में आया? right? Question, how many children will be color blind अगर है, then you have to go consider both daughter and son together, but specifically ask कि सिर्फ son के लिए, daughter के लिए, then son you have to taken as 100%, daughter separately 100%, like that. या क्लियर है आपको?
यस मैम.
मननशु?
Yes, ma'am.
कशिश पटेल?
यस मैम.
प्राची क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट. चलिए Like that, we are going to perform next cross. Right? Next cross है second, that's color blind man and color blind woman. चलिए forum unmute कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Here we write the parent color blind man and color blind woman. Quickly tell me, which allele should I write on that XY chromosome?
Small
What-
c.
Yes, small c. And for female,
Uh,
female is color blind.
female. Small c, small c.
Small c, correct. Right? Now we are going to make what gametes? चलिए ये इसमें कौन से gametes आएंगे?
Small x and small c.
Yes, and here,
Y.
then next,
X is small c.
next. Same, x small c,
Yes.
right? चलिए अभी इसको fusion करेंगे. This form with this two, this form with this. Oh. Now first ये link है देखो. This two, बोलिए. Form.
Small c, small c.
Yes, small c, small c. Then next, these two, first and last.
Small c, small c.
Yes, again small c. Then this two.
Y and small c.
हाँ पहले x लिखते हैं, small c and y. Then next,
And same.
small c and y. चलिए. Now, Prachi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the phenotype for this?
Ma'am, colorblind female.
Colorblind female, yes. Or you can say colorblind daughter. Then this one,
Colorblind female.
yes. This one,
Colorblind male.
this one,
Colorblind male.
yes. Obviously, यहाँ पे दोनों color blind है. So their offspring, okay, must be the color blind. So 100% यहाँ पे offspring color blind है. Yes or no? All will be color blind. Right? चलिए. Like this, we have to perform next cross. Fourth आपको homework में करना है. Right? And send it to me. जैसा आप last 2 lectures से कर रहे हो. Normal color vision. Now the turn. Vrunda Gosai.
Yes, madam.
चलिए, Vrunda, tell me. For color normal vision male, what should I write over here?
XCY.
Very good. Then carrier woman.
Carrier woman. Small c, capital C.
नहीं, पहले always capital C लिखते हैं, then small. याद रखना ये.
हाँ.
Okay, otherwise confusion. Now we are
हाँ.
going to make a gametes. इससे कौन से gametes form होंगे?
XC.
X capital. आप बोलिए सिर्फ capital C and here,
Y.
here.
Capital C, small c.
Very good. Now we are going to fuse them. चलिए बोलिए, ये दो fuse होंगे तो क्या होगा?
Capital C, capital C.
Right. This two,
Capital C, small c.
right. Next, this two.
Capital C, Y.
Then this two,
And small c, Y.
small c, y.
Y.
Right? चलिए बोलिए phenotype क्या होगा इसका? दोनों capital C है.
Capital C, capital C. Color blind woman.
Color blind capital में.
Carrier woman.
Carrier woman. अभी आंसर बोल दूं मैं. Capital C किसके लिए है? Dominant allele है तो normal होगा या color blind?
Normal.
Color, obviously normal. Color blind is caused by recessive allele, small c.
Yes.
Right? So ये क्या हो जाएगा? Normal. Normal woman. Normal vision. This one,
Capital C. Carrier.
carrier, but ultimately it's a normal.
हाँ.
Right? This one,
XCY. Normal.
yes, normal male. Next,
capital C चाहिए small
small
अभी
c,
normal it's normal
small c.
color blind
हाँ, deceased one,
Hmm.
right? This is male. Now, Diksha, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. One of the male parent has normal vision, female is a carrier, and their how much percentage their son will be colorblind? Your answer.
Give me a second.
यहाँ पे ही है ही क्रॉस, देखो यही मैंने पूछा है. If this cross is
Can you
you have
repeat?
to male is normal, female colorblind, sorry, carrier, then in that case their children are there, how much percentage their son would be colorblind?
50%.
Yes, correct, 50%. This one you have to consider as a 100 and son का हो जाएगा 50, right? चलिए, किसी ने 100 लिखा था, कौन था ये? खुशी क्लियर है कि नहीं? ओके, बाय मिस्टेक. फोर्थ जो है वो आपको होमवर्क में करना है. दैट्स द नॉर्मल कलर विजन मेल एंड कलर ब्लाइंड वुमन. बोलिए, अभी किसी को डाउट है इसमें? एनीवन हैव अ डाउट और यू हैव अंडरस्टूड? So color blindness, for that, first of all, color blindness occurs due to what? The genes defect occur in a genes which are actually giving a color for the cone cell. So, color blindness, right? Very brief revision. Defect in a cone cell of retina. Person cannot distinguish the red and green color. Next, more, it's a X-linked recessive disorder. So genes are located on a X chromosome. If dominant allele, normal condition, recessive allele, disease condition. More frequently occur in male compared to the females. Percentage male के लिए है 8.8% and for female 0.4%, right? In case of X-linked recessive, okay, female, though she has a normal vision, she can become a carrier when it possesses the one of the allele which cause a color blindness, like capital C, small c condition, right? Now, that mother or woman is not herself for colorblind, but that she can become a carrier for their offspring, to offspring become a colorblind whenever the carrier mother or carrier woman is there, right? Next, आप बोलिए कलर ब्लाइंड में पहले कोई डाउट है? Then I can go for the next. कलर ब्लाइंड में सपोज डाउट नहीं है ना, then you can easily learn this हीमोफीलिया. हीमोफीलिया इसके जैसा ही है, जस्ट जीन्स हमें वो लेटर्स चेंज करने हैं, कैपिटल H एंड स्मॉल h, नथिंग. Now the next disorder, that's the hemophilia. Hemophilia का आपने सुना होगा ना, hemophilia, hemophilic person. क्या have you ever heard this term hemophilia? No. Hemophilia, hemophilic person, in that blood clotting is delayed. जनरली क्या होता है पता है ना, कि अगर कहीं पे कट लगता है तो ब्लड एक्चुअली इमीडिएटली स्टॉप हो जाता है, But जो hemophilic person है, whenever the cut occur to that hemophilic person, right, blood will not clot immediately. Blood loss occur in too much amount, right? So that condition we call hemophilia. So hemophilia, for that, if you recall in chapter number 17, no 18, in 11th standard, उसमें पता है thrombin, fibrin, thrombokinase, these words are given for blood clotting process, right? For blood clotting, this name factors are given. So actually total 13 factors are there, and one of the factor named is AHG, anti-hemophilic globulin. Short form is what? AHG, anti-hemophilic globulin. So the person which is suffering from hemophilia, in that person, this factor is absent. AHG hai hi nahi. And due to that, the blood clotting is delayed. And for this anti-hemophilic globulin formation, the gene is there, which is located on X chromosome, right? Dominant allele we represent in form of capital H, which gives the normal blood clotting, and small h recessive, which cause a disease. Dominant normal hai, that's why we call it a X-linked recessive disorder. Meaning what? On the X chromosome, recessive allele is present that cause a disease, right? Now, so absence of a factor anti-hemophilic globulin AHG, blood clotting के लिए, suppose this is the one reaction, फिर second reaction, third reaction, fourth reaction, and after that the blood clotting process occur. यहाँ पे blood flow हो रहा है, right? And these are the reactions. One by one reactions are required, and after that the blood clotting occur. So that type of reactions we call cascade sequence. ऐसा नहीं कि फर्स्ट से डायरेक्टली 4 नंबर का रिएक्शन हो जाए, नो. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन अकर, फिर उसकी जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो सेकंड में रिएक्शन करेगा, सेकंड से जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो थर्ड के साथ रिएक्शन करेगा, थर्ड का जो प्रोडक्ट होगा फोर्थ, and like that the cascade reactions, cascade protein reactions occur, which helps in blood clotting, sequential. Total 13 factors are there, I told you. One of the factor is AHG, which helps in blood clotting. Without that, blood clotting cannot be possible. यहाँ तक clear है ना? Hemophilia, what is hemophilia? Delay the blood clotting. Next, hemophilia. For that, AHG is required, anti-hemophilic globulin. This factor is absent, it causes hemophilia. Normal hemophilic gene we represent in a dominant form, capital H. Hemophilic, this is allele we represent in form of small h. Right? Now, आपको मुझे बोलना है, ठीक है? Suppose tell me. Quickly you have to write, right? Hemophilic mother. Hemophilic mother. तो उसका combination क्या होगा? क्या कैसे लिखोगे आप? Hemophilic mother. हाँ, very good, right? पहले तो XX क्रोमोसोम और उसके ऊपर स्मॉल h. नेक्स्ट, जैसे कलर ब्लाइंडनेस में किया सेम ही है. नेक्स्ट, हीमोफिलिक कैरियर मदर. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, normal means the female which has a normal blood clotting process. Right? Now, for male, hemophilic male, what should I write? हीमोफिलिक मेल को अगर रिप्रेजेंट करना है देन यस एक्स स्मॉल एच कैपिटल वाई क्रोमोसोम वाई जीरो भी लिख सकते हैं आप ओके इफ नॉट रिटन देन इट्स ऑल्सो करेक्ट नेक्स्ट normal person in which the normal blood clotting occur capital H very good चलिए सेम नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ क्रॉस जैसे हमने कलर ब्लाइंडनेस में किया देखो ये हमने अभी लर्न किया दैट यू हैव टू राइट बाय योरसेल्फ अभी आपने ही सॉल्व किया ये नेक्स्ट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म डिफरेंट क्रॉस फर्स्ट क्रॉस है नॉर्मल हीमोफिलिक फादर non-hemophilic father or you can say that normal father right non-hemophilic or normal father what should I write for that first चलिए ये क्रॉस मुझे कौन करवाएगा अभी मनंशु
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए कॉम्बिनेशन बोलिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखूं मैं नॉन हीमोफिलिक फादर के लिए
X H
विच
O.
एच कौन सा एच लिखूं
Big B. Capital.
हाँ कैपिटल हाँ
Capital.
तो ठीक है यस यस कैरियर मदर के लिए क्या लिखूं
X big H and small h.
यस वेरी गुड नाउ मनंशु टेल मी इससे कौन से गैमेट्स फॉर्म होंगे
X capital H and
Hmm.
Y.
यस हियर
Capital H and small h.
small h right now Mananshu tell me when these two combine
Capital H and small capital H.
yes so that daughter will be
Normal.
yes very good now these two
Capital H and small h.
then this daughter will be
Carrier.
but normal also
Yes, ma'am.
right these two
Capital H and Y. Normal.
normal son next this these two
Small h and Y.
yes correct this one phenotype
Normal. Carrier.
huh
No. Hemophilic.
hemophilic male right that is correct okay बोलिए क्लियर है now Mananshu last question if father is non-hemophilic mother is a carrier then how much percentage the chances are there their daughter or their son will be colorblind son will be colorblind कितने परसेंटेज हो गए देखो ये दो को फॉलो करना है
15, ma'am.
यस 50 करेक्ट यहाँ पे तो कैपिटल एच है तो ये तो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा ओनली वन राइट
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of you clear with this all of you clear with this कॉम्बिनेशन हमने किया है जिस अरे नॉन हीमोफिलिक मीन्स नॉर्मल men with carrier mother right next combination I am giving you you will have to just now solve it and जैसे ही हो जाए आप स्क्रीन पे मुझे दिखाओ so I can check combination लिखो carrier woman or carrier mother deceased man or father mother is carrier father is deceased जैसे ही रेडी हो, प्लीज शो इट टू मी ऑन स्क्रीन.
Ma'am, done.
Wait. Yes, very good. जस्ट वहां पे लिख दो कि ये गैमेट्स है, राइट? पेरेंट्स गैमेट ऐसा लिख. चले, नाउ नेक्स्ट हु इज रेडी? खुशी. यस. अभी जस्ट सर्कल्स बना दो. जो गैमेट्स है वो सारे सर्कल बना दो, अदरवाइज एग्जाम के टाइम पे रीड करोगे तो ट्रबल हो जाएगा.
Yes,
राइट?
ma'am, done.
यस. हाँ दीक्षा. ओके कशिश. वेट. हाँ, आप लिखो नॉर्मल हीमोफिलिक लिखा है ना आपने लास्ट में, वहां पे नीचे लिखो मेल या फीमेल, वो मेंशन करो.
हाँ ये
कशिश. हाँ, और पेरेंट गैमेट ये सब लिखो साइड पे. ओके ठीक है, वो नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे लिखा. इट्स गुड. चलिए नेक्स्ट कौन रेडी है? कशिश. नहीं कशिश.
मैम डन.
हाँ हाँ. प्राची. प्राची राइट. डन. नेक्स्ट करुणा. करुणा पहले ऊपर लिखो फिनोटाइप मदर फादर का. करेक्ट. वंशिका. करेक्ट. चलिए नेक्स्ट. अब जस्ट स्क्रीन पे बुक रख दो. हर्षिल. राइट. जियाश्री. जियाश्री सर्कल बनाओ, गैमेट्स के सर्कल बनाओ, बॉक्स बनाओ. दिया. ओके दिया. I think now all are ready. Okay. One of the line is given just that is remaining. The family pedigree of Queen Victoria of England. Okay. Queen of England, Victoria, shows a number of hemophilic descendants as she was a carrier of the disease. Right? हीमोफिलिया ए होता है, हीमोफिलिया बी, डिफरेंट टाइप्स इज देयर. पर्टिकुलर जो यहाँ पे था वो हीमोफिलिया बी डिसीज था. तो जो क्वीन विक्टोरिया है, राइट? इंग्लैंड, Queen of England, Queen Victoria, actually she was a carrier, right? She was a carrier for this okay, check कीजिए. Pedigree meaning what? Like one of the carrier that is will find, right? C was a carrier, right? C was a carrier for this disease. Just given one of the example, remember this, right? Now, one thing that out of this X-linked recessive, suppose female deceased one and male normal, फीमेल डिसीज्ड है एंड मेल नॉर्मल है, राइट? इन दैट केस सपोज सन इज देयर, ओके, ये पेरेंट का सन, तो सन ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ मेल, फादर, हियर द मदर, फादर में से तो सन में कौन सा क्रोमोसोम आने वाला है? वाई, राइट? एंड मदर विल डोनेट द एक्स क्रोमोसोम, एक्स में नो डाउट यहाँ पे स्मॉल सी. सो इज इट नॉट लाइक दैट द फादर, सपोज ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे फादर डिसीज्ड है, राइट? फादर डिसीज्ड है, हमें यहाँ पे opposite करते हैं. यहाँ पे capital C, capital C. So the mother is normal, father is deceased one, and now their son again, it's normal, color blindness, meaning color होंगे या normal, that is dependent on what? The genes which are present on X chromosome of mother. Are you all getting my point? Right? Son that become diseased or normal, that is only and only dependent on what? The genes which are, or alleles which are located on the X chromosome of mother, not to the father. Though the father is deceased one over here, son normal, because X chromosome तो कहाँ से आएंगे? From mother to the son. बोलिए, क्लियर हुआ ये कंसेप्ट, ये लाइन स्टेटमेंट? नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, सो अभी जो हमने लर्न किया कि मदर में से वो डिसीज कहाँ पे पास हो रहा है? सन में, राइट? मदर में से सन में. नेक्स्ट, वैसे सेम डॉटर, when the mother is a carrier or deceased one and the father is also deceased one, then and then the chances are there maximum that the daughter can become a deceased, can have a disease. Daughter can have a disease because ये भी father के X chromosome पे ही ultimately थोड़ा depend करेगा. Why? Because if father is deceased, तो compulsorily एक allele तो आने ही वाला है disease वाला, right? Then mother X chromosome, mother में यहाँ पे carrier है, that's why one of the allele that come and chances are increasing. Normal है, then no problem. Okay, so you have to understand this topic in this sense also. Now the last third one for today's, that thalassemia. अभी थैलासेमिया आपने सुना है कि नहीं सुना है? कि वो भी नहीं, डॉक्टर बनने वाला हूँ, सुना तो डिजीज के बारे में. ठीक है, चलिए थैलेसीमिया. First two example which we have learned, color blindness, hemophilia are a X-linked recessive disorder, right? Which are given in your textbook. X-linked dominant not given in your textbook. Now we are going to shift towards the autosomal. Autosomal dominant and recessive. Thalassemia is a autosomal recessive disorder. Thalassemia is a what type of disorder? Autosomal recessive. Autosomal recessive. So can you tell me that is present on that XX or XY chromosome, that 23rd number pair of chromosome, or any number out of this 1 to 22? कहाँ पे होंगे इसके जीन? Exactly on 23rd number ये XXXY or out of this 1 to 22? Yes, right? चलिए, तो ये ऑटोसोमल है. पहले एग्जैक्टली नंबर भी आएंगे इसके क्रोमोसोम के, 16 number and the 11 number पे, that we are going to learn. चलिए, autosomal recessive disorder. In thalassemia, hemoglobin is not produced in body. Symptom is what? Hemoglobin is not produced in the body. Meaning what? Hemoglobin is not produced in sufficient amount. So quantity of hemoglobin is inadequate. Quantity of hemoglobin is inadequate or quantity of hemoglobin is reduced. In case of which one? Thalassemia. So that is related to quantity. That's why this is thalassemia, that is also known as a quantitative problem. Okay, thalassemia is known for what? Quantitative problem. एक हम फिर लर्न करने वाले हैं सिकल सेल एनीमिया, वो क्वालिटेटिव है. एट दैट टाइम आई विल आस्क, यहाँ पे याद रखना कि क्वांटिटेटिव, बिकॉज sufficient amount of hemoglobin is not formed in this person, thalassemia person. Now, thalassemia are of two types, right? Thalassemia are of two types, that alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Okay. Actually यहाँ पे इतना well known नहीं है, but I don't remember that country name just now, but outside the India, right? Over there before marriage, actually ये टेस्ट करवाते हैं. हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होते हैं, वो कुंडली मिलाते हैं, राइट? इन इंडिया बिफोर मैरिज कुंडली ग्रह बराबर है कि नहीं, राइट? आउटसाइड द इंडिया दिस क्रॉस, this test, beta thalassemia particularly. Beta thalassemia is important. That test is important before arranging marriage. Why? That you will learn in this. Now, it's an autosomal recessive disorder, right? If HB, first we write the HB, hemoglobin, right? HBB, that represent, if this gene is present, if this allele is present, we can say that non-thalassemic. And if this allele, आपको ये तो याद है ना, hemoglobin is a polypeptide chain. It has a 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain. Remember, 2 alpha and 2 beta. Now, particularly here for the beta, suppose so alpha, okay, just a second. Alpha chain and the beta chain of hemoglobin. Okay, yes. Yes, Neha, correct. Alpha, if defect occur in alpha chain, then we call the alpha thalassemia. And if defect occur in a beta chain of hemoglobin, we call beta thalassemia. See, alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia, two types are there. If defect occur in alpha chain, we call alpha thalassemia. Defect occur in beta chain, we call beta thalassemia. Right? Now, next. This thalassemia, first of all, their genes we called HBB and HB0. If HBB is there, we call non-thalassemic. And if HB0 means this allele is absent, right, which helps in production of hemoglobin, then we call it's a thalassemic person. If this B allele is present, it produces the normal hemoglobin, sufficient quantity, we call non-thalassemic. If not present, we call thalassemic. Right? Now, here, when suppose I have written like that, HB, you know one thing ये आपके mind में clear होना चाहिए कि this is the one pair of homologous chromosome. This is the second pair of suppose homologous chromosome, right? So यहाँ पे suppose over at this point HBB is there and यहाँ पे भी अगर HBB है, HBB, always they are in pair. Chromosomes in a pair, 23 pairs are there. That's why over here we write in a this way that HBB, that shows what? Non-thalassemic condition. वो normal person है. फिर next है that HBB, HB0. HBB है, एक normal allele है, एक thalassemic allele है, right? Again, it's a type of what? Mendelian disorder. Yes or no? Mendelian disorder. Mendel ने तो क्या बोला है? जब dominant allele present होगा, recessive will not be cause a disease, right? So ये no doubt, this one we call thalassemic minor, but still because it has one of the allele, right? Out of this, it has only one allele. So this one we can consider as a thalassemic minor, but it produces the normal hemoglobin. Last condition is what? HB0, that we call thalassemic major. Right? That we call thalassemic major. And can you tell me, without hemoglobin, can we survive? Yes or no? Without hemoglobin, can we survive? किसी ने यस लिखा, कौन था ये? जियाश्री, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? जियाश्री बोलो, आपने कुछ सोचा है
नहीं
इसके
मैम,
बारे?
वो तो पहले का ही ऐसे।
Okay, ठीक है. See, thalassemic major meaning person cannot survive with this condition, death occur, because without hemoglobin, who will give the who will take the oxygen from the atmosphere at that alveoli air, and who will supply this oxygen to the each and every cell of the body, right? And our cells are aerobic, right? They need continuous supply of oxygen. Person will die if thalassemic major condition is there. Right? Now, so three condition, HBB, normal, HBB, HB0, thalassemic minor, HB0, thalassemic major. Right? Now, one thing that should be clear in your mind, कि ये sex link नहीं है, ये autosomal है. Autosomal क्या होते हैं? Male females में equal होते हैं. Okay, here the chances are that in male and female the equal number, most probably equal number, that creates a disease. Okay, so please doesn't consider कि ये X chromosome होगा, यहाँ पे ये X, ये Y. No, these are the autosomes. Right? Right in this way only. चलिए, next. One of the cross is given over here that we will do at the end. First, understand what is alpha thalassemia, what is beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia that is controlled by two closely linked genes. Linked genes. Can you tell me what is the meaning of linked genes? Prachi.
The genes which are present on the same chromosome.
Yes, very good. The genes which are present on the same chromosome. Chromosome number be given. Which number? 16. When alpha thalassemia is there, chromosome number 16. In that, two genes are located. HbA1 and HbA2. Right? For human. Now, due to deletion or mutation in one of the all four genes, यहाँ पे 4 genes क्यों लिखे हैं? Because you know chromosomes in a pair 16 number के ऐसे 2 chromosomes होंगे, right? यहाँ पे भी A1 A2 रहेंगे. So any one allele or all 4 alleles, right? Or all 4 genes either deleted or mutated, means in that the alteration occurs simply. In that what? Alteration occur in that chromosome, then it causes what? Alpha thalassemia. If defect occur in this gene, which are located on the 16 number chromosome, HbA1, HbA2, then it leads to the alpha thalassemia. As and when HbA1, HbA2, right, they are located in a pair, 4 points. As suppose both the HbA1 genes are affected, both HbA1, HbA2 है अभी भी, then we can understand less amount of alpha hemoglobin molecules formed. More genes affected, less alpha hemoglobin molecules produced. This thing related to quantity, right? Less amount of hemoglobin production in case of thalassemia. Next thing, that beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia is caused by a single gene. Alpha के लिए 2 जीन थे, HbA1, HbA2. Beta के लिए only one, that is HbB, which is located on chromosome number 11. Alpha के लिए 16 number, beta के लिए 11. Right? 11 number का chromosome, on that this HbB genes are located. Now in this gene, when defect occur, right? Either one or both the genes are deleted or mutated, then it causes thalassemia. It reduces the hemoglobin formation. It reduces the hemoglobin formation, right? That we call beta thalassemia. And beta thalassemia is a very common compared to the alpha thalassemia. Okay, and see, it is related to hemoglobin. Amount of hemoglobin production is affected in this thalassemia. So hemoglobin, you know, when less amount of hemoglobin, right? That leads to even anemic condition also. Yes or no? That leads to anemic condition in a person. Right? बोलिए, इतना क्लियर हुआ? What is thalassemia? Types of thalassemia. Right. Now we are going to performing this test. Here the male and female both thalassemic minor. Thalassemic minor meaning what? HbB, HB0 for male. For female, you can write this thing HbB, HB0. Right? ये यहाँ पे लिखो मेल, यहाँ पे लिखो फीमेल. अभी अगेन आपको सेम प्रोसेस करना है. इसके गैमेट्स बनाओगे पहले तो पेरेंट्स के गैमेट्स, राइट? यहाँ पे 2 टाइप HbB, HB0. HbB HB0. Now, when these two gametes, ये sperm है, male gamete, right? When these two gametes fuse, then HBB, HBB. When these two gametes fuse, then HBB, HB0. These two gametes are there fused, then HBB, HB0. And when these two, then 0, 0. Ziyashri, can you tell me what is the phenotype for this? ये child कैसे होगा?
Normal.
Normal. This one?
Minor.
Minor but normal, right?
Okay.
Next,
Major. Normal.
normal. And this one?
Major.
Major. Major cannot be survived, their death occur. Remember. So here the chances are there. If the mother father like have this type of combination, both are thalassemic minor, chances are there if these two alleles are passing in their child, right? The death occur of this child. Okay. चलिए. Now, can anyone, आपको ही सॉल्व करना है. Thalassemic major means 0, 0. And thalassemic non-thalassemic HBB, HBB and thalassemic major 0, 0. Tell me क्या होगा इस? हर्षिल
यस मैम.
बोलिए, इससे कैसे ऑफस्प्रिंग्स फॉर्म होंगे?
मैम वो गैमेट्स पहले बोलो.
नहीं, डायरेक्टली ऑफस्प्रिंग बोल सकते हो तो बोलो. देखिए
B0
ऐसे भी कर सकते हो.
B0
हाँ.
B0.
आप क्या बोल रहे हो? गैमेट्स बोल रहे हो?
ना ना आंसर डायरेक्ट.
ओके बोलिए.
B0 B0
B0 B0 दोनों में?
यस मैम.
ओके आप ये फॉर्म में बोल रहे हो एच डायरेक्टली. ठीक है
हाँ.
ठीक है. राइट. इन ऑल B0 एक्चुअली. यस और नो?
यस मैम.
So all will become thalassemic. All will
माइनर
become
माइनर.
minor. Yes, all will be the thalassemic minor. Right? Now, autosomal है, right? इसमें हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि how many son will be affected, how many daughter. यहाँ पे simply how many children will be affected because these genes are common. These chromosomes 1 to 22 pairs of chromosomes which are equally present in male and female. 23 में ही सिर्फ डिफरेंस होता है in male and right? बोलिए, any doubt in thalassemia? Clear है? Right. See one suggestion कि आपके पास स्पाइरल एमसीक्यू बुकलेट है ना घर पे? बिंदिया मैडम, बिंदिया
Yes, ma'am.
रिकॉर्डिंग
हाँ.
स्टॉप कर दे.